Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pie food and grow a garden full guide. Start by choosing easy crops like apples, berries, wheat, and herbs to produce crust and filling. Prepare soil, space seeds, and water regularly while watching for pests. Track growth stages and harvest at peak ripeness to maximize flavor. Store extras properly so you can bake pies smoothly when you want them. Plant seeds or seedlings where they receive sun and have good drainage to support pie ingredients. Space plants according to seed packet directions and feed with compost or a balanced fertilizer to promote fruiting. Monitor moisture and water deeply rather than shallowly to encourage strong roots, and apply mulch to conserve water and reduce weeds. Rotate crops annually to prevent disease buildup and maintain long-term garden productivity for pies. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. And quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers and recipe prompts while you bake. It's perfect for calling out measurements, setting timers, or playing music while you knead crust with dirty hands. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Pick fruits and grains when they reach full color and firmness for the sweetest pie results, and cut herbs early in the morning for best flavor. For surplus, freeze berries, dry herbs, or can fillings to enjoy homegrown pies year-round. Keep records of harvest dates and storage methods so you know what to use first, and rotate preserved items to avoid spoilage while keeping your pie supply plentiful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.